As we step into 2025, Infiniti is undergoing a significant transformation, marking a pivotal shift in its vehicle lineup and strategic direction. The brand has officially announced the discontinuation of the Q50 sedan, with production ceasing in April 2024. This move signifies Infiniti's transition towards an SUV-centric portfolio, aligning with current market trends favoring larger vehicles. Consequently, the Q40 model, which was previously part of Infiniti's lineup, is no longer in production, as the company has streamlined its offerings to focus on SUVs and upcoming electric vehicles. In place of traditional sedans, Infiniti is introducing new models and updates to its SUV range. The all-new QX80 luxury SUV stands at the forefront, redefining the full-size luxury segment. This model showcases Infiniti's latest design language, featuring the signature double-arch grille complemented by an illuminated emblem. Under the hood, a new twin-turbo V6 engine, along with available electronic air suspension and dynamic digital suspension, ensures a powerful yet comfortable driving experience. Innovative technologies such as the invisible hood view and front wide-view camera systems enhance safety and driver awareness, while the interior offers luxury touches like massaging second-row seats and heated third-row seats. The QX60 crossover also receives notable updates for 2025. A new Black Edition package introduces gloss black 20-inch wheels, roof rails, grille surround, and exterior emblems, adding a sleek aesthetic appeal. The adoption of a 2.0-liter variable compression turbo engine delivers 268 horsepower and 286 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain not only boosts performance but also improves fuel efficiency, achieving 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive models. Enhanced standard features, including a Bose Performance Series 17-speaker sound system, elevate the driving experience. While the QX55 remains unchanged for the 2025 model year, the QX50 offers a streamlined range with 3 well-equipped grades: Pure, Luxe, and Sport. Notably, all QX50 models now come standard with all-wheel drive, catering to drivers seeking enhanced traction and control. Looking ahead, Infiniti is preparing to enter the electric vehicle market with the introduction of 2 battery electric vehicles, the Vision Qe sport utility vehicle and the Vision Qe sedan. These models, influenced by the 2023 Qe concept, are expected to launch in 2026 as 2027 models, marking Infiniti's commitment to sustainable mobility. This strategic shift comes as Infiniti faces challenges in the competitive luxury vehicle market. In 2024, the brand sold 58,070 vehicles in the U.S., a 10.2% decrease from the previous year. To adapt, Infiniti is focusing on SUVs and electrification, aiming to meet evolving consumer preferences and technological advancements. In summary, Infiniti's 2025 lineup reflects a decisive move towards SUVs.